Can this run the show? Oh, for sure. And I'm about to show you how to do it. Welcome to Creative Therapy. Akai MPC ONE. She's beautiful and so powerful to make music on. But could it be a really good live performance instrument with a little bit of preparation? Well, there's more than meets the eyes with the MPC ONE. Imagine a typical scenario. You record the samples, chop them up, program your drums, bass, maybe add some extra melody to it, tweak this, that, and the other, and on to the next project. And then this guy shows up.
I like your stuff, but could you perform it live instead of just playing it back?
Yeah, my setup for today is MPC ONE and PT-01 Scratch. And if you'd like to prepare yourself motorically, I suggest check out this video, which will show you how to warm up. Let's choose the program we're gonna be working on. This comes preloaded on MPC ONE. It should allow you to just get started and see if you like it or not. But you can also create your own program. What you look for is melody to be prepared, your groove, or something like a 1, 2, 4, or 8 bar loop. You can get something even longer, so when you trigger your pad, melody is just gonna kick off, and then you're finger drumming on top of it. Or you can go. To add variety, you can add other programs on the next sequences. I don't have anything else apart from MPC ONE, but I believe it applies to MPC Live, Live 2, 4. What's most important, have fun with it. I'm gonna start off from playing the sequence live. Now I'll try to record the sequence, so I've got something recorded and playing back while I can jump onto the turntable and do a little bit of scratching. Now the scratching is done, I can come back again, choose another program, play it live or record another beat and go back again to the turntable. If you like the video, smash that like button, leave a comment in the comment section below and consider subscribing to the channel for more content like this. Keep occupied.